appeared today and said our last goodbye. And as I held her hand in mine, a tear stood in my eye. She saw that tear and said, I hate to leave my lonesome boy. I turned away, she did not know. Those tears were tears of joy. I sent my wife to the Thousand Isles today. She's on her way. She'll spend a week